Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review on the Asus flip convertible Chromebook. I got this from Amazon for about $400. I think $400 is pretty, it's a lot, you know, because you can easily get a laptop for that price. But the laptops that are that price are usually a little bit more heavier. So yeah, so I got this mainly because I'm a bag lady and I needed something lightweight. The laptop I had previously is so heavy. I like it, but it just is really heavy and it hurts my shoulders. So I was like, it is time to get something else. Yeah, so Chromebooks are pretty much like, they're pretty much laptops. The only thing is they don't have a lot of capabilities. So if you have a whole million things going on, I wouldn't recommend it. This is something you could add on, maybe to take on a few things for maybe work a little bit, to watch movies, play music and things like that. Or if you are somewhere where you have to wait for a while, you can easily use it and things like that. You know, I like to use it when I go to like Starbucks at a coffee shop, like editing my videos and things like that. So yeah, so this is how it looks like right here. I got the protector from Amazon as well, and it turns into a tablet. So you can do this. So when I'm sitting at home, like kind of relaxing a little bit, I like to use this side and have it as a tablet and just browse through. When you go to the, I have a protector also that I added for this. That's why it's so colorful. It's for the keyboard. So I ordered that from Amazon as well. So let me log in here and then I'll show you guys pretty much the inside. Uh-oh. Hope I didn't forget my password, guys. All right, so pretty much once you log in, you're gonna get this little buttons right here. And it has like Gmail, it has Chrome, it has Google Docs, and whatever else you set up there. So it's pretty much really easy to use. Yeah. I really like this screen. It's really crisp and just easy to browse through. It's touch screen as well, so you can kind of just go up and down and like look up things and things like that. I'm just amazed at how lightweight it is. Like I could easily hold this with one hand. Like that is really awesome, because comparing to the laptop I've had for many years, that's just really heavy. Now, so I mentioned that, you know, Chromebooks are really not meant for a million things. So with that being said, I had some issues. I tried to open, I tried to get some footage off of my camera onto this, and I realized I couldn't because this does not come with a USB port. So you have to buy some kind of a hub like this that has the port for the USB. This is a USB type C, which is what a lot of computers and a lot of like phones are using now. They like charge faster and things like that. You do need to get one of these to plug here so you could get stuff up if you have something with a USB. So that was really kind of like, okay, frustrating. Another thing is I tried to print and it pretty much told me I had to print through the cloud and things like that. It was just really a complicated process. So I ended up using my other laptop to print some things that I needed. So that was kind of like, you know, like kind of a bummer in a way, but I just didn't want to deal with it. So yeah, you can take it on the go, as I said, listen to music and stuff like that. I heard that and read that it has a really great battery life. So they say like 10 hours of battery life. And I've noticed that. So when you turn this off, it doesn't really turn off, because every time you open it up and stuff like that, it comes back on. And every time I've done that for the past few days, I've just noticed the battery doesn't go down that much. So I could kind of believe that the battery life is pretty good. But you know, we have yet to find that out. So I've not been charging it all day. I'm just leaving it on to see how well it's doing without me charging it again. Your login is pretty much, if you have YouTube, you have Google and things like that, is the same one. And pretty much, as you can see, it says Kenya Girl right there. That's pretty much the same screen name I have. So it's the same one that's I'm logged into. Once you log in, it would allow you to kind of change things around, but you really still can't do much. Like if you were trying to change everything up, it's not a laptop, so you are limited in what you can do. But I really think this is great for a student who's not doing like too much. Like a mom like me, if I get a little free time, I can edit my videos. I could open up pictures. I could also, the camera quality really sucks, so I can't really say you could take great videos and great stuff like that, because it really is not the best. You could chat with people and things like that on it, but that's really it. I still think the camera just looked really bad. What else? Yeah, so it's not meant for you to do everything on it. So the price, it's okay. It's lightweight. It's cute, you know, I like this a lot. It looks really nice. Like, it slits right through my purse, and I just don't feel any weight, and that's really, really like something I'm excited about. Yeah, it will. There's some things when you try to do, it will give you warnings that it can't do it because it's not running on, I think OS or something it said. So that changes like a lot of the things that you can do. So I'm not a techie person, but yeah, it will give you warnings on some things that you can't really do on it. So this is really great for browsing the internet a lot. I'm looking for jobs right now, so that's something that I'm kind of using it for a lot. Just when I get a little free time, I'm on like different websites, like looking for jobs and things like that. Anywho, so yeah, so far I really, really like it. If it was like 300 something, I would be okay, but the 400 kind of just was a little much for me. Because there's other cheaper ones too that you could look into that are Chromebooks. But yeah, it's really simple to use because all you have are those buttons that I showed you guys at the bottom. So pretty much there. So make sure you get a USB hub of some sort, because you have a Type-C plug here for charging and stuff like that. But you know, if you have anything with a USB port, like a regular one, you won't be able to open up anything. So you need to get one of those. Printing format, I still have to figure that out. I just didn't like that it was a little bit complicated. Yeah, so yeah, I would definitely recommend it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.